Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy Z Flip 8 at the Galaxy Unpacked 2026 event, which is almost similar to the previous model, but it's slimmer and there's now more to activity happening on the cover display. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 is the smallest and the most fun of all the Samsung foldables. It weighs just 180 grams and goes like 3.37 by 2.97 by 0.51 inches in the folded state. When unfolded, it's the size of a regular smartphone, but slightly lighter, smaller, and slimmer than the last model. The main screen is a 6.9-inch AMOLED 2X display with 120 Hz refresh rate and vision booster. The cover, or what Samsung calls the Flex window, is a 4.1-inch AMOLED screen with a 60/120 Hz refresh rate, same as the Galaxy Z Flip 7. However, the new Flex window is where most of the new features lie. It brings apps, insights, and actions directly to the cover screen, along with a feature called Now Brief that offers next steps and timely insights to give you glanceable information. It also makes automation through Gemini Intelligence easier to access, allowing users to complete connected actions through side key activation or natural voice requests. Samsung has kept the Galaxy Z Flip 7 cameras. You still get a 50-megapixel f1.8 main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel selfie camera. Like the other foldable models, the Z Flip 8 comes with Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor, offering a boost in performance and battery life. However, the battery itself remains 4,300 milliampere hours like last year, with charging speeds of 25 watts wired and 15 watts wireless. Despite getting just a minor refresh, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 costs $100 more than the previous one, becoming $1,200. The phone is already up for pre-order and the shipping starting on August 7th. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.